What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex. We're back here in the garage, and I decided to make this video here because I'm already kind of sweating because I was cleaning up the patio area right now. It's freaking hot here and humid. It's like 88% humidity here in the Houston area right now. Today is June the 5th. You might see this in a week or two after I'm recording this. I don't know, maybe this following week. We'll see. As you saw on a short on June 5th, I uploaded a quick teaser on a red Axum. And yes, I got another red Axum, but with a little bit of a twist. It's not actually my Axum. It's a client's Axum. He's the same guy that brought me the Ozone Elevate. I leave a link for you over here that I tried to fix, but it was unfixable, so he returned that. He got the Axum and he brought me a bunch of parts. Let me show you what we got. Let's go over what we got to work with and see how we're gonna install this. So we can see we have a Manitou Fork. Let's see what we got. Box 3, Prime 9, group set. Funny about this one, he actually told me that he saw a review from Wolftick Videos. So Jeremiah and Wolfman, this goes to you because he saw me, he told me that he liked the review, he liked how it works, so he ended up buying this. So we have the whole 9 yards, shifter, cassette, derailleur, and chain, all box 3 Prime 9. We're gonna put this group set on the Axum. What else we have in here? He brought me a headset. Not in here, it's in he actually brought me 2 headsets, but this is missing the cups for some reason, which is okay. I actually used one of these on my wife's aluminum cup, but there's another headset over here. Get it out somewhere, might be in this box over here. Well, we have Fuker pedals that we're gonna be installing them. These are the really nice one, just like the race face Chesters. I'm gonna show you the bike in a little bit. We're gonna go over the bike. Okay, so here's the Cito headset, taper, bearings. We got some Airgun grips that we're gonna be installing, and these are lock-on. I've never used this one, but they seem to be good. Then we have stem bolts. Apparently we're gonna be installing some stem bolts, and they're red, and I guess we're gonna do like a team kind of thing. We have some headset spacers just in case we need some, and I'm gonna show you something a little bit. Some cable ties. I have some, but he brought me some. That's okay. And okay, wrench, Allen head wrench toolkit kind of thing, and some Morocco 2-piston hydraulic brakes. He already has the front one installed, not the rear one. We're gonna be installing this thing. So let's see, the only thing we haven't opened is the Manitou Fork, and we're gonna be installing all this in his bike. Let's see the fork. So the Manitou Fork comes with different decals just in case you want to customize it. And this is actually straight steer fork, and it's quick release, so we're gonna be keeping the stock wheels on that. And it seems like we have a rebound adjustment on the bottom and lockout, manual lockout. And over here we have the cap for the air. There's too many turns right there. So he did tell me go ahead and install all this, keep it for a few days and review it. That way you can review everything, give me your opinions, everything like that. So again, Wheelset 29 by 100. It has internal adjustably travel. So I'm guessing this is a 100 millimeters. It might be able to go up to 120 with this spacer right here. So we're not gonna worry about that. It doesn't have any labels on the stanchions or graphics. Let's measure the stanchion width. 30 millimeter stanchions, and this thing weighs, since I have it out, shy of 4 pounds, 3.99 pounds, 1.81 kilograms, or 1,810 grams. So a pretty light fork. And other than this, let's go over the bike real quick. This Axum is mostly stock, mostly because he did do a few upgrades already. He replaced the handlebar, the stem. We have a wake stem. He has a little bell. He already installed the front Maroka hydraulic brakes with the adapter. We still have the same rotors, original tires, original fork. He said his wife crashed and apparently this thing is broke, so he's gonna weld it together. We have some grips. So he was going with the blue team kind of to match up the decals, but now he wants to just go red and black. That's why he brought me pedals, because as we can see over here, we have a JG Bike crankset with the JG Bike oval chain ring, and I'm not sure if that's a 30 or a 32 tooth, most likely a 32 tooth. And he already has also some Fuker pedals coordinating with the current scheme that he has. At the rear we have the original axe, derailleur, cassette, exaform dropper, and he also replaced this saddle. Other than that, this is one of the things that I wanted to show you. He said that his wife crashed, and apparently this was one of the reasons. He told me because of this thing moved. So we're missing a spacer right there, and that's why the headset is loose. So we're gonna fix all this. Once we replace and cut the fork, we're gonna install the necessary spacers and make sure everything's tuned up and ready to go. So I guess this video is already a little bit long, so we're gonna do a two-part video. The next video where I put everything up, it might be just like a time lapse, because I already done this many times. Although I am gonna be using some new tools that I have not used, because I kind of made like I'm kind of trying to get a bike shop business kind of going like on the side, and I had to order some new tools because I did not have them. So I'm gonna be using my new, and I'll leave affiliate for all of this in the description below, headset and bottom bracket remover. No, my headset remover. I have torque wrenches, all sizes available, quarter, 3/8 and 1/2, and I'll also have a star knot setting tool that I'm gonna be using for the first time. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll leave affiliate links for all these products that he brought me on the description below. Also, you can just check my 3 link with everything that is already there. That way everything's in one place. Link for the bike, everything. And if you want to support the channel, you know, you can check all those affiliate links in the description below. You can do Cash App, PayPal, all that good stuff, coffees, whatever you want to do. You can become a member of the channel if you like to do so. But if you just share this on the social media platforms, this video, it'll help the channel a lot. So you can help for free just by sharing. Other than that, stay tuned for the next video. I'm probably just gonna do a time lapse of that, everything set up, and then go over all the components that I installed. And I'm also gonna be doing reviews for the Manitou Fork and the Box Prime 9 group set that I'm gonna be installing on this, and maybe as well as the Maroka 2-piston hydraulic brakes, because I have not done any reviews because I don't own any Maroka 2-piston hydraulic brakes. We'll see how everything goes. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. Let's wrap it up, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.